Are we correct? Yeah?
There's,
Yeah?
Yep. There's a fail on this way, isn't there?
Yep.
Bravo Charlie Whiskey, turning on, turning downwind for runway 18, touch and go, Bowen Heads traffic.
Where's the power line, mate?
Power line is on the other end, no?
There's one on this end too, I think he said. That one there, there's a pole there, see? That Molly runs across that way.
Yeah, we are safe. Yep.
Should be right now, because you're sort of almost at his threshold, so.
Torquay traffic caravan, Yodel, Quebec is 3 minutes to parachute drop overhead Torquay airdrome, traffic Torquay.
Nice landing.
Bloody hell.
It's funny, isn't it? But
Yeah.
if you come from the other way and you land in this bit, this throws you back in the air again.
Yeah.
I got a picture of Gary's story. He's like that. He's come up and he's gone, whoa! He's gone up in the air on that angle. The sock is perfectly down the runway. To do. Brakes.